Do you want to get in on traffic from the hottest source right now? If so, stay with me. I've got something really special to share with you. It's all coming up in my review of TikTok Boss. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can perform successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. You know you can go ahead and skip ahead because my jokes there, well, they're still as yesterday's bread, even though yesterday's bread actually doesn't taste all that bad. Used to be yesterday's bread actually made a difference. Today doesn't really matter. But anyhow, seriously, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart? Seriously? Do you know how irritating that guy is all the time? Yakety, yakety, yakety with the crap thing. Bart, give it a rest. And he takes turns. There's these other people. You take a look at my other videos. If you haven't seen them, there's these other people. There's also Newman from Seinfeld for some reason. They are driving me crazy. Give it a rest, guys. Seriously. Seriously. If you are new to the channel, wait his work here. If I like your product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. And I see Liz, she says the same thing also every single time. She said she's been taking turns lately. She's been skipping out on me with this weird guy who talks about being an entrepreneur and like a drug addict or some other weird stuff. But you know, she's a sweetheart. I can't get angry at her. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Make sure you like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. We're looking right now at the sales page for TikTok Boss. And this is from my friend Alessandro. Alessandro is an expert on TikTok. He's been working on the platform pretty much since it became a thing here in the United States a couple of years ago. And he actually released a course right when TikTok first became very popular, all about how to dominate on TikTok. Since then, he's only grown on the platform, and he's created TikTok Boss as a brand new product that's basically going to teach you everything he's learned since he started there. And it's a really, really cool course. A lot of great stuff in here. I'm going to show you the members here in just a minute, but I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because, as always, I do have the best custom bonuses that you will ever see anywhere for any product, pretty much. So, first and foremost, I'm going to give you a collection of video clips. Now, why do you want video clips? Well, TikTok is a video platform, specifically short videos. And what you can do with these, you can actually use these as B-roll when you're making a video. Yeah, if you noticed when I started my video, I kind of like interact with various characters. This is legal under what's called fair use doctrine. Now, I'm not a lawyer. I will not give you legal advice. Do not take what I say as legal advice. My advice is worth exactly what you pay for it as far as legal stuff is concerned, because I'm not a lawyer. I'm just telling you what I personally understand, what I personally rely on. It's called fair use doctrine, where basically, because I'm creating a parody where I'm joking around, it is, as far as I understand it, legal to do this. Now, the nice thing is that the clips that you're going to get from me, these you can 100% use no matter what, because they are licensed to be able to be used. You don't have to worry about it being copyrighted material. They are, you are getting a license from me that you're allowed to use these clips. There's several hundred of them. You can use them. In addition to that, I'm also going to give you my course on using DaVinci Resolve, which is a high-end, completely free video editor. Okay, you're going to be able to use DaVinci Resolve to be able to create these kind of videos. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Super simple once you get the hang of it. If you don't know what you're doing, I can tell you about DaVinci Resolve, but it's going to take you a while to figure it out. But with my video course, take you about 10 minutes to go through the 10, 15 minutes to go through the course. You're going to understand how to make these videos. You're going to understand how to import all these clips, and you're going to be done. Plus, I'm also going to show you a super secret website where I get all these interstitial clips, these clips from like famous TV shows. Now, that particular stuff, again, I have to stress this just for legal reasons. I am not a lawyer. I am not giving you legal advice. I'm not going to tell you that using these things is legal. I'm going to tell you that I personally, as I understand it for my personal use only, I believe that what I am doing is 100% legal. And I have checked with attorneys and I've been told that this is legal. That said, you can check on your own with your own attorney. Do not take my advice as legal advice. I am not giving you legal advice. I will not be responsible if you get sued. Okay, I cannot give you any legal advice. All I can tell you is what I personally know. And I will also give you a link to a video on YouTube that I found from an actual lawyer who talks about what makes it legal to use these kinds of clips. But again, this is not my advice. I am not offering any advice from a legal standpoint, and I'm doing this, I'm saying this over and over again because I want to make sure you understand that I cannot give you legal advice legally. I cannot tell you whether or not this is legal. All I can tell you is what I understand and what I personally do and why I do what I do. Okay, so that said, again, I'm going to give you a set of hundreds of video clips. I'm going to give you my course on DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to give you the super secret website that I get all of my clips from. Okay, plus I'm also going to show you this lawyer's video telling you why fair use is legal, what you have to do in order to be protected under fair use, what is not protected under fair use, et cetera, so you can understand what is involved. All this is going to be included when you pick up TikTok Boss from me exclusively, and it's nobody else has got this. I'm the only one who's going to give this stuff to you because of the fact that I really think that this is going to help you out a lot. Let's check out the members area here real quick. Okay, you can see here, this is the members area. Basically, it's just a download. Now, he's going to give you both TikTok Boss and TikTok Empire. TikTok Empire is Alessandro's first course on TikTok, which he released a couple of years ago when TikTok first became a big thing. And I was going to give you TikTok Boss, which is his brand new course as well. Plus, it also gives you the TikTok money calculator, shows you how to make more money off of TikTok. So you're going to get all of these three things. Plus, you're going to get all of my bonuses included. And it's going to cost you 17 bucks, which is really, I mean, what is that today? You know, that's like a few gallons of gas or like a large pepperoni pizza, basically. I mean, you know, if I order a pizza from Pizza Hut, I'm going to spend more than that. So this is really, really a big bargain. But let's see if I'm officially going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. Yeah, seriously, you demand. Okay, Alessandro makes great stuff. By the way, if you haven't seen my videos for a while or ever, yes, this is my house. This is my office, and you can see I have behind me the picture of the faceless man in the bowler hat. I really like that photo, that painting rather. This is, of course, a copy of the original. The original, I believe, is in the Louvre in Paris. But this is an original hand-painted. Well, it's really not a copy, it's inspired. It's an homage is the official term for it. And all this, by the way, what I have is because of people like you that you want to learn what I learned, and I'm able to teach you, I'm able to offer you these things. And it's really because of you that I have a beautiful house that I paid for. It's fully paid for. We do not have a mortgage on this house at all. We didn't even have to take out a loan in order to pay for the cost of the renovations when I bought the house. We bought a gorgeous old Victorian house that's about 130 years old, had the place renovated. And yeah, it's really an amazing place to live, and it's all thanks to you. And I really want this to help you out. So that's why I'm giving you such an amazing bonus. So do grab this one. This one is great. You're going to love this.